enough sa amin eh.
Oo nga, alam naman namin yung past mo, naintindihan ka naman namin.
Okay lang yan. We're here for you.
Hey, nako, Fish. Alam mo naman may sakit si MJ.
Anong sakit? Ako?
Alam mo naman na parang nababaliw-baliw ka na paminsan-minsan. Sabi nga ng mga kaklase natin eh. Parang napaparanoid ka na. So, akala mo parang magkagusto ka din sa mga lalaking lalaki.
Ako? Paranoid? Ay, ako? Sakit?
Alam naman namin eh. Sabi ng mga kaklase natin, nababaliw ka na daw. Tapos parang na-obsess ka na sa mga lalaki na hindi naman totoo.
Boy,
Saka parang naging
friend ko
paranoid
to.
ka.
Uy, huwag ka naman ganyan. Friend pa rin namin si Juan.
Yes, that's the point. At saka dahil friend natin siya, dapat tutulungan natin ang kalagayan niya.
Yan, umiyak siya. Ikaw kasi.
Alright, Joanne. Thanks for the support. But I really don't know what to do anymore. I even joined Scottish immersion shit thing. But there, I don't know. The guy, you know.
What? You want to the guys?
Yes.
You're so gross.
Oh, stop it, Ju. But it does make sense.
Thank you for understanding.
I'm trying to fight it, but I'm also scared.
Don't be. We're here for you. We know you're not close with your family. So we'll be your family. You know, we should go out tomorrow night so we can socialize and you can be more confident. You know?
Yes, let's go.
I don't know.
Come on, come with us.
You enjoy it. And before you know it, you'll be back to yourself.
Oh, Fish.
Okay.
How dare you?